Topic 14-6, graphing y equals x plus or minus h, it's all in parentheses squared, plus or minus k. And this is the x movement. And this is the up or down. This is up or down. This is left or right. Okay? Just like when we did y equals absolute value of x plus 2. Remember that this was the up and down movement. And when we did y equals x minus 3, this was the left-right movement, but it did it different than what you expected. So here we go. It says describe, so you're going to use your words. Describe x plus 4, all in parentheses squared. This causes it to go left or right, and so that is left 4. Remember, inside the parenthesis, it does it different than what you expect. Outside the parenthesis, down 3. This should all be a review because we have done this with absolute value functions. This is minus 2, so that is right 2 because it's inside the parentheses, and then this is up 1. Here, this is left 3, up 2. Outside of the parentheses, you're up or down. Right 4. Down 2. And if you plot your vertex, so if you take your parent function and you move your vertex right 4 and down 2, and everything else follows, that's how you would transform your quadratic equations. Pay attention to this. So this is opens downward. This is left 5. This is down 6. This is a wide or narrow. Larger than 1 is narrow, or you could say stretches. Either one of those is an acceptable terminology. Let's keep going. Oh, this one should have said negative 1/3 x squared. So, opens down. That takes care of the negative. Wider or compressed. And then write the following equation. So I'm going from here to here. I go 1 over 1 up, it hit there. 1 over 1, 2, 3 up, and it hit there. So it is the parent function just transformed. 1, 2, 3. It's left 3. Down 1. Make sure it's an equation. And then, here we go. This is, here's your vertex. Over 1, down 1. 1, 2, 3 down, hit still that, so it's the parent function. And we open down. We open down, so it leads off with a negative. It went 1, 2, 2 right, and 1, 2, 3 up. And my vertex is at 3, 2. Next one. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. It is the parent function. It's not wider or narrower. Y equals negative x squared plus 1. Vertex at 0, 1. There's the vertex over 1, up 1, over 1, 1, 2, 3. It's not narrow or wider. The vertex is there, so y equals, I went 1 over to the left, and I went 1, 2 down, and my vertex is at negative 1, negative 2. Here, over 1, down 1, assuming that it's not narrow or wider, then I went right 1 and down 1. So y equals, and it opens downward, opens down. So negative x minus 1 for the right, and down 1, and my vertex would be at 1, negative 1. And that is parameter change of moving a quadratic equation.